Here are the 6 valuable characteristics of information. 1. Accurate. Information must be correct and reliable. Inaccurate information can lead to poor decision and waste resources. 2. Relevant. Information should be applicable to the task or decision at hand. Unrelated information is simply clutter. 3. Complete. The information should be sufficient to provide a full picture of the situation. Incomplete information can lead to misunderstanding and incomplete conclusions. 4. Timely. Information need to be available when it's needed. Outdated information can be useless or even harmful. 5. Accessible. Information should be easy to find and retrieve. Difficult to access information is unlikely to be used. And lastly, 6. Understandable information needs to be presented in a clear and concise way, using language and formats that the intended audience can understand. Hello, my name is Tuxelso Samaniego. I'm from HRM 3B. Business processes versus business system. Many people use business system and processes interchangeably. While they are related, there are distinct differences between the two. Business system definition. At their most basic, business system are the series of connected processes that may or may not include technology. They break down into 4 key pillars: planning, people, processes, and technology. Business systems are generally more complex than processes because they include the execution of multiple processes and as they mature. After utilize technology to execute those processes more efficiently and with far less error. Business systems are a series of connected processes that may or not include technology. Processes are the series of documented steps or tasks. Example of business systems: customer relationship management, CRM systems, enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, quality management systems, QMS, inventory management system, etc. Example of processes: generating an estimated entering a work order, answering customer phone calls, generating tickets, counting inventory, packing order for shipment, quality inspections, etc. The easiest way to understand how they work together but are different is by looking at the individual processes you and your team are executing to see how they are part of a series of processes that form a more complex system. Processes definition. Processes, at their most basic, are the series of documented steps or tasks. Processes like systems may or may not include technology, which can be often add to the confusion. Processes are often less complex than systems because they are created to move you to the next process or to achieve a specific outcome. The difference. You may be thinking, so what's the difference? And if that's you, great question. The easiest way to tell the difference between business systems and processes is by looking at some examples of each. When we're talking about business systems, we're often referencing customer relationship management, CRM systems, enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, quality management systems, QMS, inventory management systems, safety management systems, human capital management systems, etc. That said, we could also be thinking about content creation systems, sales and marketing enablement systems, e-commerce systems, and host of other systems you may found throughout your business. On the other hand, when we were talking about processes, we're often referencing things like generating an estimated, entering a work order, answering customer phone calls, generating peak tickets, counting inventory, packing orders for ship, quality inspections, safety audits, creating a piece of content, and a host for other activities that need to be completed throughout your business. The easiest way to understand how they work together is by looking at the individual processes you and your team are executing to see how they fit together to form a more complex system. So, for example, let's take the process of taking an order from a customer. Before we take an order, do we need to create an estimated? If so, what's the estimating process entail? If not, what do we do with the order after we've taken it from the customer? When does it go next? There are plenty more questions that could be asked. You can probably already see how the process of taking an order is just a part of a larger system that executes multiple individual processes to achieve the larger goal of driving growth for the business. Business systems are the series of connected processes that may or may not include technology. Processes are the series of documented steps or tasks. Examples of business systems: customer relationship management, CRM systems, enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, quality management systems, QMS, inventory management systems. Examples of processes: generating an estimate, entering a work order, answering customer phone calls, generating pick tickets, counting the inventory, packing orders for shipment, quality inspections. The easiest way to understand how they work together but are different is by looking the individual processes and your team are executing to how they are a part of series of processes that form a more complex system. The key difference between business process and a business system lies in their scope and function. A business process is a series of steps or activities performed to achieve a specific business goal. Example, orders fulfillment, customers onboarding. It is a defined sequence of actions. Making smart business decisions. Identifying problems and being profitable demand methods and tools that turn data into actionable insights. Business intelligence, BI, and business analytics, BA. Presents data management solutions, while BA is often used as a foundation to answer complex questions. BA is more advanced. The two terms sound similar but serve different purposes. Understanding business intelligence versus business analytics is crucial to get the best from your data. Characteristics. Business intelligence, business analytics. Characteristics, terms, application, usage. The terms of business intelligence is analyzes history and present to drive current business requirements, while the business analytics analyzes historical data to drive current businesses. Application of business intelligence is suitable for all large-scale companies, while business analytics suitable for all companies where productivity and future growth are the goals. Usage. Business intelligence is for present business operation, while the business analytics for future businesses operations. What is business intelligence? Business intelligence is an infrastructure comprising strategies and technologies used to enterprise industries for collecting and analyzing the existing business data that gives insights into the historical, present, and predictive events of a business operation. BI gives comprehensive business metrics to support better decision making. BI frameworks present current, authentic, and visionary views of commercial operations. They mostly utilize the information gathered in an information stockroom, shop, and something operational information. Data is foundation of business intelligence. Data warehouse provide the raw information that business intelligence needs, with a large supply of accurate data to populate dashboards. BI teams can identify trends and predict new ones, perform statistical analysis, and evaluate ROI. Making data-driven business intelligence decisions is only beneficial for the business with the foundation of reliable center repository of information. Data warehousing part of business intelligence. Usually, data warehousing is a significant part of an overarching business intelligence architecture. Companies can have data warehouses that gather and store data. Then, the data warehouses can pass the data to business intelligence software that analyzes the data, makes sense of it. It's possible to have a business intelligence without a data warehouse, but the organizations would not have a holistic understanding of trends that come with a comprehensive data warehouse. What is the distinction between business intelligence and data warehousing? A data warehouse, which stores information and distinct from business intelligence, which have more to do with analyzing and interacting with the data to make better business decisions. What is business analytics? Business analytics is a use of strategies and technologies to explore and extract insights and performance from historical business information for successfully driving future business plans, meeting customers' needs, and increasing productivity. It works on unused bits of knowledge and provides an understanding of business performance on the basis of information and measurable strategies. Key difference between business intelligence and business analytics. Now that you know the definitions of two terms, let's explore a complete comparison of business intelligence versus business analytics. Current circumstances versus future events. The focus on the occurrence of events is the primary distinction between business intelligence versus business analytics, while business intelligence concentrates on current and past events recorded in the data. Business analytics focuses mostly on what is more likely to happen in the future. The two practices have different timeline for applying the future result while using the same data. When your analysis concern what is happening now and why business intelligence is your choice for data management, constantly, business analytics answers the question, what is likely to happen next? Use BI to form strategies for current situations and BA for strategies that would impact future operations. Structured data versus semi-structured data. BI applications are more suitable for structured data from enterprise applications like ERP and financial software system. It helps get insights from past financial transactions. Business analytics applications suits both unstructured and semi-structured data, transform them into meaningful data before analysis, and then gets insights from the data with throughout predictive analytics. Descriptive versus predictive approach. Business intelligence answers the two main questions. What has happened in the past? What is happening now and why? It describes and gives you detailed information. On the other hand, business analytics is most about predictive analytics. It identifies patterns in business data, suggests why things are happening, and forecasts the likelihood of future events. Its goal is to predict future events based on what's already occurred. It happens formulate better decisions and be prepared accordingly. Report versus applying. Data viewing and report is other point of difference between business intelligence and business analytics. Business intelligence is simplified and has data arranged into easily comprehensive reports that brief the viewer on what is happening. Interactive dashboards, charts, and easy-to-read reports are commonly used with business intelligence results. Business analytics takes a step further and goes on to reveal why things are happening by employing data, applications, and statistical analysis. Analysis versus managers. When studying business intelligence versus business analysis, it is crucial to consider the end users. While BI tools present understandable data to accountants, managers, and marketers, people without technical expertise, this information helps them make informed business decisions without needing the assistance of data professional. Business intelligence requires basic maths for calculating results, and the rest is done using BI software. It relies on the formulation of mathematical models, machine learnings, querying, and artificial intelligence for proceedings. Business analysis is a little more demanding. It is required more information to parse and interpret useful information. Business analytics is a little more demanding. It requires more information to parse and interpret useful information. Thus, it can efficiently be handled by data analysis with an analytics skills sets who know how to build machine learning capabilities and have sound software application knowledge. Conclusion. Business analysis (BA) focuses on improving existing business processes by understanding their current state, identifying problems, and proposing solutions through collaboration with the stakeholders. In contrast, business intelligence concentrates on analyzing data to reveal insights and information decision-making using tools like dashboards and reports to visualize trends and patterns. While both are crucial for organizational success, BA tackles the how and why of operations, while BI focuses on what the data reveals about the business.